Hey guys, it's Crib Drip, and welcome to my show today. It's around 3:15. It's May the 20th of 2018, and I just wanted to go over the market as a whole and see what's going on. So, to start things off, it looks like markets are back in the green, and not really in the green, but just recovering. So, nothing really special today. No new highs or anything like that, but they are making their way up, and that's always good news. So the thing is, the markets are gonna definitely take their time. I can't say for sure if they're gonna recover as quick as we like, and especially with the disappointing consensus news, that was definitely disappointing because so many people thought it was gonna do so well. So going into the market, looking at the total market cap over here, let's see. So it looks like we were at support of 380 million. That was fairly strong support, and let's see what it is now. Okay, so if you look at the market here, so it looks like it did hit a low of 366, roughly around there. But this is the $380 billion mark that looks like it's finally back up at, and it looks like it's just piercing through it. So now the next resistance would probably be around 404, 410ish. So if we want to get to that $400 billion mark, but then to really see to really go past the highs, we really need to just break 466, which I do think, in my mind is totally believable that will happen within this month, in my opinion. So we still got 10 days, roughly 10, 11 days of this month, and I do think that is going to happen. So now looking at the market, actually looking at from a technical perspective, so let me just open this in a chart that's a bit bigger, and so going over the technical analysis here, so we see that it did bottom at 8k just a couple days ago, and it does look like markets are going back up, and it's a beautiful bullish candle forming right here. And as mentioned, it's 3:18 Eastern time right now, so this candle will close at 9 o'clock, so we still got 6 hours roughly, and so we don't know how this candle will close, but if it closes just how it's looking right now, then that will be a really bullish sign. So let's hope it stays like this. I mean, going more granular inside, so it does look like it hit 85.20, and hopefully it will just consolidate its way up, hopefully uptrend its way up there. If not, then I do see a potential consolidation just happening that would just try to let go of those weak hands, the ones that are just not holding, so we gotta hodl. All right, hodl gang. So all right, so moving on, we got PayPal in the news, and it looks like they're not very happy with cryptocurrencies, and they're not interested because of the volatility, and that's an issue. So what to do? What do we do about that? And the thing is, you have all these other companies that are emerging from blockchain and Bitcoin companies. So for an example, Square Cash. So it's made by Square, founder of Twitter, Jack Dorsey, and the company is actually doing very well. The growth is actually more steady compared to companies like Coinbase, where Coinbase, their interests are very aligned to the interest of how Bitcoin price goes. So Bitcoin goes up, then the interest goes up with Coinbase, and we don't see that with Square Cash. We see a more experienced, more balanced growth. So that's something to consider, and that's always a good company, to buy in, and to maybe one day, go to Jack Dorsey and be like, hey, can I invest some money and own like 10% of it. You know, if you got some cash going around, then would not be a bad idea. So yeah, so this is it for today, guys. And comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you in for the next video. All right, cheers.